Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. We have exclusive information on the highly anticipated 2025 Aston Martin DBS. Rumors surrounding the Aston Martin DBS are intensifying, with its debut projected for the second half of this year. Aston Martin has been spotted testing the successor to the DBS model on the streets of Los Angeles. Prepare for an exciting journey filled with intriguing details, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest automotive news. The upcoming 2025 Aston Martin model features a wider front intake compared to its predecessor, the DBS, which originally debuted in 2018 as the DBS Superleggera. The headlights seem to adopt the same design language as those seen on the DB12 and the latest Vantage. Additionally, a conventional bonnet appears to replace the large carbon fiber section found on the DBS, which also served as the front fenders. Notably, the new vehicle seems longer than the DBS, with its C-pillars sporting a more classic design compared to the floating roof design of its predecessor. The rear of the car appears more robust, possibly inspired by the stunning Valor Coupe introduced last year. The upcoming Aston Martin DBS is expected to feature a more powerful version of the 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine found in the DBS. While the engine produced 759 horsepower in the last DBS Ultimate, it is anticipated to produce closer to 800 horsepower in the successor model. Power will be channeled through a rear-mounted 8-speed automatic transmission, with drive directed solely to the rear wheels. The official debut of the DBS is projected for the second half of this year, making it likely to be introduced as a 2025 model in the US. Stay tuned for the latest information and other exciting news from the automotive world. Don't miss your chance to find out the latest developments in Aston Martin and other innovative models.